welcome back to my channel. And today's video is super special because I'm not cooking alone. I'm joined by my lovely niece. So we are making one of your favorite comfort foods. It's going to be fun and very delicious. So let's get started. Let's begin with the ingredients. We need 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, a small piece of bell pepper, some celery and parsley, some ground beef, a spoon of garlic salt, some black pepper, some salt, a bit of smoked flavored sauce, a bit of butter, some water, some spaghetti, and a slice of cheese. For this recipe, we also need a bowl, a cutting board, wooden and metal spoon, fry pan, a pot, a knife, and a ladle. So let's begin. First step is grab a bowl and wash some vegetables very well because it's important to always start with clean ingredients. Then I took 1 onion and carefully cut off the ends or corners. This trick makes it easier to peel. Once peeled, I sliced the onions and then chopped it into small cubes without crying too much. This part is very difficult for me. Next, I slice the bell pepper and tomato and then dice. So everything went back into the bowl, nice and ready to cook. In a frying pan, I added some butter, let it melt a little, and then toasted in all the chopped vegetables. I spread everything with a wooden spoon until it smelled amazing. Then I added a bit of smoked flavored sauce and I mixed very well again. Once the veggies were soft, I added some ground beef and mixed very well. Then I added some garlic salt, some salt, some dried parsley and some dried basil. Then I added a jar of bolognese sauce and mixed it again. For the spaghetti, in a pot, I poured some water, added a bit of butter, some salt and some pepper. Once the water started to boil, I added the spaghetti. I cooked it for around 25 to 30 minutes. Once the pasta was ready, I placed some hot spaghetti on a plate. On top of that, I added a slice of cheese. And then, using the ladle, I poured some of the bolognese sauce right over the top. The result? A beautiful plate of spaghetti bolognese. The spaghetti was soft, the sauce was rich and full of flavor, and the cheese melted perfectly over the top. And yet, I know it was supposed to be a team recipe, but halfway through, my niece decided to take a nap. So I finished the whole thing by myself. Thanks for watching. See you next time.